Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English listening channel. Today, we have a new story called English at the Hotel. In this episode, you will follow Ellie and Ken as they arrive at their hotel after a long flight. You will hear them check in at the front desk, relax in their room, enjoy dinner at the hotel restaurant, and have breakfast the next morning. This story is full of useful English phrases for traveling, especially phrases you can use when staying at a hotel. Don't worry if you are still learning English. I will speak slowly and clearly so you can follow the conversation easily. So please relax, listen carefully, and enjoy the story. Before we begin, I have one small listening question for you. What food do Ellie and Ken eat for breakfast at the hotel? Listen carefully and try to find the answer during the story. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can practice your English and improve your skills more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Wow, this place looks incredible. The lobby is enormous.
Yeah, it's much bigger than I imagined. Looking around, those lights look beautiful.
And the air smells really nice. Everything feels fresh and clean.
I noticed that too. It already feels comfortable here.
After that long flight, this is exactly what I needed.
Same here. My legs still feel stiff from sitting on the plane.
Mine too. I think we were sitting for 10 hours.
At least we finally made it.
Yes, and this hotel seems like a good choice.
Definitely. Look over there. I think the reception desk is that way.
You're right. Let's go check in.
Good idea. The sooner we get our room, the sooner we can rest.
I'm already dreaming about a soft bed.
Chuckles. Same here.
Come on, let's head to the front desk.
All right, let's go.
Okay, here we are at the reception desk.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Sunny Hill Hotel. How may I assist you today?
Hello. We booked a room earlier. The reservation should be under Ken Tanaka.
One moment, please, while I check. Yes, I see it here. 2 nights and a double room, correct?
Yes, that's correct.
May I have your passport, please?
Of course. Here it is.
Thank you very much. And will Miss Ellie also need a key card?
Yes, please. That would be helpful.
Certainly. Your room number is 608, located on the 6th floor.
Great, thank you. Breakfast is served from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. on the 2nd floor. Checkout time is at 11 a.m.
Okay, we understand.
Here are your key cards. The elevators are just to your left.
Perfect. Thanks for your help.
Yes, thank you very much.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your stay with us.
We will. Thanks again.
The staff here seem really friendly.
Yeah, very professional too. I like that.
I'm honestly so tired right now. That flight felt endless.
Same here. My back still hurts from that airplane seat.
Those seats are always so small. I could barely stretch my legs.
Exactly. I'm just thinking about the bed in our room.
Me too. Let's take the elevator up.
6th floor, right? Room 608?
Yep, easy number to remember.
I hope our room has a nice view of the city.
I think it will. This building looks pretty tall from outside.
As long as the bed is comfortable, I'll be happy.
Same here.
Oh, here comes the elevator.
Perfect timing. Let's go.
6th floor, here we go.
I can't wait to relax for a little while.
Yeah, we deserve a break after traveling all day.
Okay, we're on the 6th floor now.
Yeah, the hallway is really quiet. I like that.
The carpet makes it even quieter when we walk.
Let's see. Room numbers start over here.
602, 604, 606.
And here it is, 608.
Great, we found it. Go ahead and try the key card.
All right. Beep. There we go.
Wow, this room is wonderful.
It's bigger than I expected.
Look at that window. The city view is amazing.
The lights look beautiful from up here.
And the bed looks incredibly soft.
After that flight, that bed looks like heaven.
Seriously. So what should we do first?
Honestly, I think I need a shower. I still feel sticky from traveling.
Good idea. You go first if you want.
Thanks. While I'm in the shower, you can relax.
Don't worry, I'll test the bed for us.
Just don't fall asleep yet.
No promises. Wow, this mattress is incredibly soft.
Really? That sounds promising.
It feels amazing. I might fall asleep right now.
Don't do that yet. We still have dinner later.
I know. I'll try to stay awake.
All right. I'm going to take that shower now.
Go ahead. I'll just rest for a minute.
Back in a few minutes.
This bed is perfect.
The water feels great in here.
Lucky you. I'll take my turn after.
You should. It really wakes you up.
While I'm waiting, I'll turn on the TV.
Do they have English channels?
Yeah, looks like they do. Maybe we can watch a movie tonight.
That sounds relaxing.
Or we could order room service and watch something.
Not a bad idea.
Okay, your shower turn is over. My turn now.
Go ahead. You'll feel much better after.
I'm looking forward to it. Wow, that shower was fantastic.
See? I told you it would help.
I feel completely refreshed now.
You definitely look more awake.
Before the shower, I felt half asleep.
Same here earlier. Traveling really drains your energy.
So what should we do about dinner?
I don't feel like walking very far tonight.
Me neither. My body still wants to rest.
Maybe we should just eat at the hotel restaurant.
That sounds perfect. I saw a menu near the lobby earlier.
Did it look good?
Yeah, the food looked really nice.
Then let's do that. Easy and convenient.
Good plan. We can relax a little longer first.
Look outside. The sunset is beautiful right now.
Wow, the sky is turning orange over the buildings.
It feels so calm up here.
I'm really happy we picked this hotel.
Me too. It was a great choice.
All right, after a short rest, let's head down for dinner.
Sounds good to me.
Good evening. Do you have a reservation for dinner?
No, we don't. Is there a table available for two?
Of course. Please follow me.
Wow, this restaurant looks beautiful.
Yeah, I love those lights outside the windows.
And the view of the city is amazing from here.
Here is your table. Please have a seat.
Thank you very much.
This is a perfect spot.
Everything sounds delicious.
I know, it's hard to decide.
What are you thinking of ordering?
Maybe the pasta with shrimp. It sounds really good.
That does sound nice. I might try the grilled chicken.
Good choice.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'll have the grilled chicken, please.
And I'll take the shrimp pasta.
Excellent. Would you like something to drink?
Just water for me.
Same here, please.
No problem. I'll bring your drinks shortly.
Thank you.
It feels so nice just sitting here and relaxing.
I agree. After traveling all day, this is perfect.
Honestly, I feel like I could eat everything on this menu.
Same here. I'm really hungry.
The music here is nice too.
Yeah, it's soft and calm, not too loud.
Some restaurants play music so loudly you can't talk.
Exactly. Here we can actually enjoy the conversation.
Here are your dishes. 1 grilled chicken and 1 shrimp pasta. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you very much.
Wow, this looks amazing.
The chicken is really good. Very juicy.
The pasta is delicious too. The sauce is creamy.
Hotel restaurants always make simple food feel fancy.
That's true. Everything tastes special here.
So, what do you want to do tomorrow?
Maybe we can explore the city a little.
I heard there's a park nearby.
And a shopping street too.
Perfect. We can take it slow in the morning.
Yeah, after breakfast, we can walk around.
Sounds like a great plan.
Wow, I'm getting really full.
Me too. That meal was bigger than I expected.
I don't think I have room for dessert.
I might, but I probably shouldn't.
Maybe we should just order coffee.
That sounds like a good idea.
Would you like anything else this evening?
Yes, could we have 2 coffees, please?
Of course. I'll bring them right away.
This dinner has been really relaxing.
Yeah, good food and a quiet place. That's all I wanted tonight.
Vacation mode officially started.
Absolutely.
The view outside is still beautiful at night.
All those city lights look amazing.
After this coffee, I think I'm ready for bed.
Same here. I'm starting to feel sleepy again.
That long flight finally caught up with us.
Definitely. Let's finish our coffee and head back to the room.
Good plan.
Tomorrow, we can start exploring the city.
I'm looking forward to it already.
That dinner was really satisfying.
Yeah, I enjoyed every bite.
Now I'm starting to feel very sleepy.
Same here. I think I'll change into my pajamas soon.
Good idea. I'll make some tea while you get ready.
Oh, nice. Tea sounds perfect right now.
They left a few tea bags near the coffee machine.
What kind is it?
Green tea. It smells really nice.
Perfect for the evening.
Look outside again. The city lights are still shining.
Yeah, the view from this window is beautiful.
It feels very peaceful up here.
I could sit here and watch the lights for hours.
If we do that, we'll wake up late tomorrow.
Good point. We should sleep soon.
Do you travel often?
Not really. Maybe once a year. What about you?
A few times, but usually for work.
Work trips aren't very relaxing.
Exactly. That's why this trip feels special.
I'm really glad we came here.
Me too.
All right, time to sleep. Good night.
Good night. Sweet dreams.
Wow, is it morning already?
Yeah, I think so. I slept really well.
Same here. I don't even remember when I fell asleep.
That bed was incredibly comfortable.
Definitely one of the best hotel beds I've tried.
And now I'm really hungry.
Perfect timing. Breakfast should be open now.
Right, the receptionist said from 7 to 10.
Let's get ready and go downstairs.
Good plan. I'm curious about the breakfast buffet.
Me too.
Wow, look at all this food.
They have eggs, toast, fruit, everything.
And pancakes too. I love pancakes.
Same here. I'm definitely getting some.
This orange juice tastes really fresh.
Yeah, it doesn't taste like it came from a carton.
Honestly, I could stay here forever just for this breakfast.
The food here is really good.
But sadly, we have to check out later today.
Don't remind me.
At least we still have some time this morning.
True. Let's enjoy breakfast first.
That breakfast was excellent. I'm completely full now.
Me too. Those pancakes were amazing.
All right, I guess it's time to check out.
Yeah, let's go to the front desk.
Good morning. Are you checking out today? Yes, we are. Room 608. One moment, please. Did you enjoy your stay with us?
Yes, very much. Everything was wonderful. I'm happy to hear that. Here is your receipt.
Thank you. Actually, could we leave our luggage here for a few hours?
Of course. We can store it safely for you.
That would be great. We'd like to walk around the city before going to the station.
No problem at all. You can pick up your bags anytime this afternoon.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Have a nice day.
I feel a little sad leaving this hotel,
Me too. It was so comfortable here.
but we can always come back another time.
Definitely. Next time, maybe we should stay longer.
Good idea. Maybe 3 nights instead of 2?
Deal.
So, where should we go first?
Coffee, of course.
I should have guessed. Let's go.
So, how was the story? I hope you enjoyed listening to Ellie and Ken's hotel experience and learned some useful English phrases for traveling. Now let's go back to our listening question. What food did Ellie and Ken eat for breakfast at the hotel? If you know the answer, please write it in the comments section. Writing your answer in English is a great way to practice your English and improve your confidence. Thank you very much for listening and learning with us today. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more slow and clear English listening practice. We will continue making easy English conversations and real-life stories to help you improve your listening every day. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.